Hello and welcome back. Well, I love doing learning activities with Muskaan. And at the same time, I don't like spending a lot of time and money on getting supplies together. So, I usually try to look around the house and use whatever I can. Don't you do that as well? So, I am here today with Uno cards, one of our favorite games. I'm going to share a couple of math activities that you can do with these cards. These cards have big and easy to read numbers and bright colors. So quickly, let's have a look. So to begin with, we used Uno cards as flashcards to sort them according to colors. The different colors are great to sort and identify. Simply give your child some Uno cards and ask them to sort. Recognizing how to put items into groups based on similar characteristics is an important skill. So another way to sort cards is by number. It can be a little tricky as kids can get distracted by color. Place the cards in front of your child and ask them to put the same number cards together.
Here's another fun activity wherein children can develop their fine motor skills. You need some pegs and Uno cards. Pick a card from the deck, ask the child to identify the number and place that many pegs on the card. For number 8, we had 8 pegs. While doing this exercise, children not only learn to identify the numbers, but they also develop their hand movements. They also develop their hand muscles that can help them with their pencil grip. Such easy activities really help children in a very big way. These simple activities help children with their writing skills.
When children are familiar with numbers, it's time to teach them what comes before and after. And practicing this concept with Uno cards is super fun. With this, children learn ordering numbers and missing numbers as well. Well, comparing numbers doesn't have to be boring at all. And Uno cards are bright and fun. Take a piece of paper and make greater than and equal to sign. Place the equation in front of your child with Uno cards and ask them to put the correct sign. We can also practice addition, subtraction with Uno cards. For younger kids, separate the cards from the deck and put only smaller numbers till number 5. Grab a piece of paper and make addition and subtraction sign on them. Place the Uno cards in front of your child and ask them to solve the equation. Happy learning!